Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Mount Pearl, a vibrant city nestled on the eastern edge of Newfoundland and Labrador. Mount Pearl's origins date back to 1829 when Commander James Pearl of the Royal Navy was granted 1,000 acres of land in recognition of his distinguished service. He named the area Mount Cochrane after the governor but later changed it to Mount Pearl. Often referred to as a city within a park, Mount Pearl boasts over 60 parks, playgrounds, and trails. The Waterford River meanders through the city, offering picturesque walking trails perfect for nature enthusiasts. These green spaces provide residents and visitors with ample opportunities for outdoor activities and relaxation. Located just a short drive from St. John's, Mount Pearl offers the perfect blend of suburban tranquility and urban convenience.
Thank you very much.
This proximity allows residents and visitors to enjoy the amenities of a larger city while benefiting from the close-knit community feel of Mount Pearl. Whether you're exploring the scenic trails, participating in community events, or visiting local attractions, you'll experience the warmth and hospitality that define this unique city.
Thanks for watching!